Hello students, so today we are going to learn a very important topic, local preposition. Yeah, this topic is related to 12th standard syllabus. So one at a time, if your 11th basic is complete, then only come to this topic. Yeah, I have also made some preposition videos related to basic. Once you know it carefully, then you can watch this video about local preposition. In the local preposition, the meaning of local meaning is, local here means the place. The prepositions which are related to places. So preposition is nothing but preposition which we say in English, the relation between two nouns where we use. Here it is the relation between the places. Like nak. First you need to know the first local preposition, that is nak. Local preposition nak. One at a time. If I am telling you something to write, you can write it down. Listen the video carefully from beginning till the end to understand each and every example which I'll be telling you orally also, which you can note it down in your notebook. So first, write this everything in your classwork notebook. This is the first local preposition which we are going to take today, one at a time. The meaning of nak is to, T-O-2, in this topic. Now, there is a person, he is going from one place to another. Yeah? So, I have asked a question, wohin gehst du? I have asked this person a question, wohin. Wohin meaning is where to. Where are you going to go? Like that. Yeah? Wohin gehst du? Where are you going to go? He has not reached the destination yet. He is still in the way. He is still in the process to go. Yeah? So, here, when you are going some place, and that place is a country. Länder means country. Write the meanings if you all want. Länder means country. Owner. Owner means without. Article. Article is article only. So, when you are going to such places, like a country or a city, yeah, any particular place which has names, if you are going to that place, a country, city, state, and that country doesn't have an article. Now when you are learning German, you know articles are the most important thing, but some things doesn't have an article. They don't have gender. So when they don't have gender and you are traveling to that place, you can use, instead of TO2, you can use nak. I am going to Germany. I am going to Berlin. I am going to Mumbai. So when you are going to some destination, and that destination, if it is a country and city or state, I am repeating many times that it should be either city, state and country, then only this rule can be applied. So if you are going to some city, state, city and country, then you can use nak for TO2. And also one important thing is, you are in the motion. You have not reached that place yet. You are still in the motion to go to that place. You are going to go. Ich gehe nach Deutschland. I am going to Germany. You haven't reached Germany yet. आप लोग फिलहाल प्रोसेस में हो जर्मनी जाने के लिए. शायद आप लोग घर से निकले हो या निकलने वाले हो, तब हम लोग ये लिख सकते हैं. आप अगर जर्मनी में ऑलरेडी हो तब ये नाक नहीं लिख सकते स्टूडेंट्स. सो इश गेह तो वर्ब भी आपको बताता है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू जर्मनी, आई एम गोइंग टू बर्लिन, आई एम गोइंग टू मुंबई, एंड दिस प्लेसेस डजंट हैव एन आर्टिकल. तभी आप लोग ये नाक लोकल प्रेपोजिशन की तरह लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन भी आपको वहीन बता रहा है, वेयर टू, या प्रोसेस में हो. बट ये प्रेपोजिशन अगर आपको पता करना है डिटेल में, तो ये प्रेपोजिशन एक्चुअली डाटिव केस से आता है. ये प्रेपोजिशन बहुत लॉयल है डाटिव केस को. ऐसे गिने चुने प्रेपोजिशन से देयर आर काउंटेबल प्रेपोजिशंस विच आर वेरी लॉयल टू डाटिव केस, वेरी लॉयल. तो एक्चुअली ये प्रेपोजिशन के बाद एक्चुअली सारा कुछ डाटिव होता है. आर्टिकल अगर यहाँ पे आता तो वो डाटिव में आता. बट फिलहाल हम लोगों के पास एक ही कंडीशन है, देर इज ओनली वन कंडीशन, दैट इफ यू आर राइटिंग नख इन द लोकल प्रेपोजिशन, मतलब प्लेस के हिसाब से अगर लिख रहे हो, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू दैट प्लेस, सो राइट नख, और यहाँ पे आर्टिकल नहीं आना चाहिए बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू दैट प्लेस, एंड नख कैन ओनली बी यूज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सच प्लेसेस हु डजंट हैव आर्टिकल, and that places should either be country, city or state. Now for your exercise I can give you some examples. Make some sentences with the verb fahren and reisen. Gehen ke bajaye, instead of gehen, make the same sentences if you want with fahren and reisen. I'll give you one example. Ich fahre nach Deutschland. Instead of ich, you can make different pronoun, er, wir. Use different pronouns and at least make 4 sentences with fahren and reisen, and do send me. If it is correct, then verify it. I can verify it and give you. So make some sentences as written over here, make some examples and send to me. Try to understand, this can only be used when you are going to that place. You did not reach it. You did not reach that place till now. You are going, and can only be used if that country or city or state doesn't have article. Only this much keep in your mind. Make few sentences. And why I have written wohin over here, because आप लोग जा रहे हो, you haven't reached over there. Okay, no need to write an article over here, though nak is a very loyal to dative case. No need to write article because ये nouns को, ये land, lender मतलब country, स्टेटा मतलब सिटी, इनको आर्टिकल है ही नहीं, तो लिखोगे कैसे? ओके, सो मेक सम सेंटेंसेस with the country or city who doesn't have an article in this manner, and please do share with me.